everybody on this freaking jet bridge. Oh my goodness.
Next trip, man.
You know?
That's right, I've seen your stuff.
Oh, you see my, what? Do you want to say hi to 10 million people?
Oh my God,
Hi.
hello.
Hello.
He's amazing.
Oh,
He's amazing.
snap. You're amazing. Who?
You.
And them over there?
No, you.
You? Oh, baby, welcome to Burbank. Woo! I love this airport. As you can see, you got to just walk off the plane like you own the place. I'm out here in these streets. Thank you, thank you. I'm trying to vlog. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty dope. A little behind the scenes, a little below the wing action. Someone's got to do it, guys. The mountains are right over there, and it looks so gorgeous in the morning. These planes are pretty freaking big, dog. You know, pretty big. Are you going to the hotel, man?
What?
Are you going to the hotel?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I might be coming too. Steve, you want to introduce yourself to 10 million people, man?
Hey, 10 million people. I'm Steve.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that. Southwest Steve.
Are you going to the hotel?
I will go to the hotel, but I will not check in.
Wait, you're actually going to the hotel?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
parked at the hotel.
No, I just
No?
live 4 blocks away.
Oh, no way, damn. LA, we're all like based at LAX. So
Yeah.
like Burbank, I mean, I'm actually technically living in Hollywood, which is like what, like 15 minutes away?
About that, yeah, over there.
But, you know, I mean, free hotel, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta take it.
And you know, I'm in between places, Steve, you know what I'm saying? You know, I got my whole bag in my life, my whole life in my bag.
You're back in your life.
Yeah. But I guess Steve lives just a couple blocks away from the hotel, so he's gonna go and then he's gonna walk home.
He is.
That's pretty dope.
His girl will pick him up.
Oh, yeah?
Prince parking.
There's a Mrs. Steve?
Well, it's a Miss Olsen for now, but yeah, we're working on it. We've been together 4 years.
Okay.
Hey, how are you? Hey, give us a call.
How you doing,
Bien.
All right, that's all I got.
So cool?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, with the secret. No, we got a secret handshake too. Yeah. Hey, hey, how you doing? Maybe we'll be friends one day, Jorge. Yeah. Okay. Yo, Steve, why you gotta outdo me? Why you gotta have secret handshakes with everybody? Why you gotta know everybody?
I know the guys, man.
My man, come on.
When I was commuting to Oakland, I would just walk down to the hotel and take the shuttle to the airport for commutes.
So you know a guy who knows a guy.
I know a guy.
So you've been riding the coattail of this hotel shuttle to the airport for some time now.
I will not confirm nor deny that statement.
Any allegations? Bro, why didn't you tell me you were a comedian?
You didn't know already just by working with me, the timing, the
I mean,
skills?
bro, I did, you know, I definitely did. So, all right, I'm just chilling here, you know, I'm being me. I'm out here just blocking traffic and stuff.
Yeah, let's block traffic.
And,
One person will get hit, 2 people, you'll stop traffic.
yeah.
Yes.
My man tells me he's a comedian. I'm like, oh my goodness. You know, he's cracking jokes on a plane, you know. So some people crack jokes, some
Legit.
people don't, you know. My man. All right, we gotta get the info. Right. Plug yourself. Here we go.
Steve M Stand Up, SteveMonroe.com. It's that easy. Steve M Stand Up. That's my Instagram, my Twitter. That's it.
Hey, all right. So my boy Steve is he's walking home right now. I don't know.
4 blocks.
This way, that way. Appreciate the.
Appreciate you.
All right, man. We'll
see you at the gate tomorrow.
All right. Man, that's 2 of us. So they gave us 2 rooms. When they got people in there. Oh man, you can't make it up. You can't make it up, kids. Kids, can't make it up. My man, there's someone in my room, bro. Someone in my room, man. This is not a good look, man. What are we gonna do? My man's is killing me right next to the elevator. Come on. This place better have champagne in it or something. Alrighty. 2 beds. Let's check the view. We are looking at some decent hills, not a bad view. Alright. Alrighty. Let's get some lights on here so we can see Mr. Handsome. How you doing, buddy? Long time no see. Okay. Alrighty. Kids, don't try that at home. Bed bugs, you don't want to do it. But you guys know what you gotta do. Hey! Woo! Shout out Vivi! Let's get it. Not a bad day today, guys. Pretty much what we did today, we only worked 3. No, we worked 4 flights. But we didn't serve on the last 2, so it's kind of like we only worked 2, you know? So not too crazy of a day, pretty easy. I have a lot of food in my bag, but I'm craving something a little bit sweet, you know what I'm saying? So I might go down to the vending machine, you know, grab some snacks. Ooh, baby, look at all my family members. Look at all these snacks. Let's get it. All right, guys, comment down below what you would get. I'm usually a Kit Kat Reese's, guys, but your boy's kind of feeling like peanut M&Ms, you know? So that's what? 502. 502. Yeah. I know what you guys are thinking. Molives, why are you buying candy when you can be saving up for a mystery flight? You know what? Don't worry about it. You're not my mom. 502. Boom. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Hey.
Hey,
What's up?
do I have your name from somewhere?
I don't know. I feel like you're very familiar.
Yeah.
Flashback?
Do the flashback.
Oh my goodness, no. Cut scene.
That was a good addition, I feel like.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Was it?
Yeah.
You know this.
Yeah.
This is all staying in, right?
Oh, great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good.
Yep.
Great. Love that.
Well, I'm gonna go have my peanut M&Ms. I'm gonna just go to my room. So I'll see you later. All right, bye. Oh man, we're back. We're back. It is raining today. It's raining. Damn, bro. We got a monsoon right here. What is this?
Matt made it. Matt made it.
Yeah, I made it. Alrighty guys, we got 4 flights. We got 4 flights going on. It's actually hilarious. I just ran into my friend Carolina and we took a selfie. Here it is. Follow her on Instagram. She's going back to New York. She flies for JetBlue. She's flying right there on that Airbus all the way to JFK. I should probably wipe this up so people don't be slipping. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. Molives don't litter. There we go. Oh yeah, that's the spot. Okay. Here we go. One more, baby. One more flight. All right, one more flight to go, baby.
The Matt Factor.
Oh, hey.
The Matt Factor in the house.
Coming now to the stage. You've seen him on the
Grey's Anatomy, The Mentalist.
Oh man. Actually?
Yeah.
Not bad, Steve. Not bad. If it's true. Alright guys, I'm just gonna say if it's true, here's the clips. Steve. Couldn't find him, Steve. What are you doing, Steve? Couldn't find him. So another news, yeah. So we just worked 3 flights. We went from Burbank to Oakland to Ontario to Phoenix, and now we're going to LA. We only did service on the first flight. The other 2 are too bumpy because there's just been crazy weather. So yeah, we've literally just been chilling, not doing anything. Either way, we still get paid. We actually have this little secret spot where we keep snacks, little extra snacks in here. What we got? Crackers, cookies. It's a no for me, dog. I don't eat snacks, but in order to be a snack, you can't really be eating no snacks. You gotta be having healthy. I just eat kale and organic, free-range chicken, and happy eggs coming from happy chickens and happy cows. Yeah, so what's up to? How's the flight, man?
The flight was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, we didn't do You know, when you got a few bumps, captain says sit down, you sit down.
Well, it's for safety, man. You know,
yeah,
you wouldn't want to
safety
get hurt.
first, hospitality second.
So did you mean what you said, bro?
Yeah, absolutely.
The DM?
Price is Right.
Bro, are we going to the Price is Right?
Wednesday, 9 a.m. taping. We are there.
Wait, like, bro, don't like.
No, this is it. This is legit.
What do you mean? How'd you get the in? What are you talking about?
PricesRight.com.
Really?
Yeah, they got the whole schedule right there.
Bro, like, how long ago did you do this?
3 weeks.
3 weeks ago?
Yeah.
So is this like, I am your +1?
I got +3.
You got plus.
Yeah, not to downplay your position. But
So do I get a +1, or am I one of yours?
Here's what it came down to. You're cool people.
Hey.
And I got an extra spot.
Bro, I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm
So,
down. Like,
right
I'm not
away.
even like, bro.
And
I'm not
isn't
even kidding.
For the vlog.
No.
This
No.
is just legit.
Well, no, it is because
Well, it
it's
will
build
happen.
up. It's
It
build
will
up, and
happen
I gotta
for
talk
sure.
about it. I don't know if.
Where are you guys heading?
I think I have Princess parking.
Nice.
I don't know where the princess at though.
We got each other's info.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Yeah, 9 a.m. taping.
Bro, I'll see you on the Price is Right.
Love it when you hate, put me in my grave. No, I don't wanna die today. No, a drink is what I need. Get lit, then I fall asleep. Things are on my mind, yeah, maybe suicide. Yeah, they're never on my side. Yeah, I'd rather hang inside. Yeah, you wanna give me your love.